We know mathematics, we know science, we know that a plus b whole square is a square, b square, and 2a. But we do not know why we are angry all the time. We do not know why our mother in law is the biggest issue in our life. We do not know why we wake up every midnight at 2 a.m. and overthink. And we do not know we are earning so well, but still we hold a lot of fears regarding money. This is because everybody taught us academic science, but nobody taught us emotional science. This is the reason why highly educated people are confused. They know physics and chemistry, but they do not know why their chemistry with their partner is not working. They know biology, but they do not know why they are repeating patterns. Hi, I'm Rashmi Bhairanje. I'm an emotional transformation coach who help people to understand their emotions, patterns, behaviors, and habits and help them achieve a purposeful and fulfilled life. Let's go with an example. Your mother in law says that in our time we used to do all the things and we were never worried, we were never stressed. You smile outside, but somewhere deep within something gets tightened. You feel angry and you feel that you're disrespected or you're unappreciated. You feel so small because nobody taught you why these statements from your mother-in-law is hurting you so much. Suppose think that your husband has missed something, he has forgotten something, he forgot to pay his bill, or maybe he forgot to come to the school meeting. Now you get angry and you react to him. And then later on, you think that why did I respond so badly? Why did I overreact? But you do not know that your brain is linking irresponsibility as a lack of safety. You earn so well and you have a large sum of money coming to your bank account every month, but still you feel so anxious when you're spending that same money. This happens because your money is related to some beliefs related to your childhood. And these memories are stopping you from spending that money for yourself. You make beautiful plans, you make the timetables, you make the productivity list, everything. But by the end of afternoon, you lose your track. And then you blame yourself that I'm not disciplined. But here I want to tell you that this is nothing but a burnout, and the burnout is nothing but a nervous system breakdown. Here is the truth. Your brain doesn't alone work on logic, it also works on patterns. Your emotional reactions are also nothing but a mathematical equations inside your body. Write it down somewhere. Trigger plus the past memory plus the nervous system state is equal to the emotional reaction. If your nervous system feels unsafe, even the neutral situations might feel threatening. This is nothing but the emotional science. Schools have taught us how to tackle the outside world, maybe to get a job, maybe to get good marks, but it has never trained us on emotional regulations, how to develop our self confidence, how to be in a good relationship, or how to change our habits and behaviors. Hence, we became successful externally, but internally we became reactive. We became intelligent outside, but internally triggered. Here's what you need to learn. Whenever someone criticizes you, your body is trying to find safety outside. When you are trying to overthink, your brain is protecting you from some pains. If you're feeling jealousy or resentment towards others, it is because somewhere you are carrying some unmet emotional wounds from your past. Your emotions are not a weakness, they are nothing but your signals. Just like equations have logic, emotions have patterns. Once you understand emotional science, you don't fight with your husband, instead, you will decode your trigger. You will not hate your mother in law, instead, you will regulate your reactions. You do not shame yourself or procrastinate, instead, you stabilize your nervous system. If this resonates with you, and if you think that you are educated but emotionally tired, if you think that you are capable but internally overwhelmed, then I'm going to invite you for my webinar. So please join the WhatsApp group which is provided below in this video, and I'll see you there.